Getting ex back, or moving on, should be considered following the past reasons for breakup. In this video, how to get your ex back plan will be suggested in a typical case, in which it is based on equality and respect, not power and control. It is worth the effort. Getting an ex back is a long way with your patience and perseverance. To make him come back naturally, as if he does not know being attracted, making him feel at ease and connecting directly to his needs will create favorable conditions for your ex back. So, Angel will here give you a step-by-step plan which guides you on how to start and what you should do. Step 1. Silent after breakup. No contact rule is a simple and efficient way which blocks all communication with your ex for a period of time for all devices. No calling or texting. No update on your personal life's ex on social media. No accidentally bumping into him or follow his personal life. You are the one who needs to be caring. Your heart is heartbroken and it is hard to go through this period. Right now, you are not fine to fight the truth separation you two, which you find anyway, to get your ex's love. Need space quietly to recover your energy, and do not find the root cause of the problem. Normally, people are advised that 30 days is the best time to silence. It is better to depend on the specific situation for your own. Step 2. Strive to become a person you can be proud of. The first step is necessary for the healing period. However, it should not take several months to remember the past, because a man who you want to get back is a good man with a forceful personality. So, this type of man cannot be attractive like a woman who is just grappling with pain and grief. You should find out the truth about yourself first. It is your inner self. When you were a child, having the best moments made you more bright with your talent. When you understand who you are, you will know the field you need to improve. You should not change the whole things to make you perfect, as if you are a completely different person. You are just good at only one, where you have an instinct in the subconscious, which helps you go faster within a short time.
Before watching next, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel to be the first to see the next videos.
Step 3. Contact your ex at the right time with the right message. You try to be an attractive woman and have self-confidence for a long time. But don't call him or text him to say you've changed and want a second chance. Using calling or texting to give an excuse casually to reconnect. Texting for your ex is the great way to send a message to him that you suddenly miss him for memories. Or, you call him once when you know he is not home, and send a message via the answer machine. Leaving a message also allows him to call you when he wants to. You can use the format for asking news from him. Hi, how are you? Today, I came to the restaurant that you two have been staying at together for 1 year ago. That is very interesting as its owner still remembers us. It reminds me of you. Do not send a message twice after not hearing from him to make sure he got the message. Forget all about him and move on. If he does call or text back, he might just be polite, nothing deep. So try not to get too excited or show how happy you are to hear from him. Step 4. Casual dating with your ex to build attraction. Your first date with an ex-boyfriend is like a first date with another man. It's almost like a new relationship, so let him pick you up and take you out. Be light, casual, upbeat. Needless to say, don't have a heavy discussion about your relationship or the past, even if he talks about the way it was. Try not to dwell on it. Be honest, but mysterious and end the date first. Step 5. Decide whether the relationship should go further. After the first date, he never calls again. You should give up and get back your life, instead of worrying about what he is thinking about you. If he calls back for the next date, or you start in a relationship again, but you do not feel safe and comfortable expressing yourself, or turn to a committed relationship in future, you should move on as soon as possible. Don't waste more time again. It is hard to explain getting X back together, which takes time and effort to attract again. Someone create a new relationship is easier than rebuild one. Pulling him back has become a main target in that time. You make the best effort possible. So, if you still feel hurt waiting for someone to fill up your soul, you should stop it. Please comment below your situation and how is your getting back an ex plan.
Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel to get more value.